Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to change your username in Imo. Go to the Imo from your apps list. Now tap on the three horizontal line from the bottom left corner. From the menu, tap on Settings. In the first option you can see your username. To change the username, tap on this. Enter the new username. Then tap on Done from the top right corner. That's it. You have successfully changed your username. And the new username is showing here. So that is how you can change your username in Imo. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.